Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. Today I'm sharing a Ganesha drawing video from start to finish. Let's draw a Ganesha together using just a pen on any paper. Start with the eyes, making sure that they're symmetrical, and then add a crown. Your crown can be as detailed as you want it. It can be simple or it can be dramatic. Add the ears, again trying to make them symmetrical, but doesn't have to be exactly the same. Then you want to go ahead and draw the head shape, paying attention to swirl the trunk like an elephant's head. Today I'm drawing a four-handed Ganesha. The first one is just a palm which issues blessing. Then we have a palm in which he's holding sweets. The third hand has a flower or a lotus in it. And the fourth one is actually holding a weapon or an axe. You can add one or two necklaces for jewelry. You can draw small triangles, small circles, or just draw tiny rounds to add more details. You want to then draw the stomach, add the shoulder, the thighs, and then you can just finish it off in any manner that you want. I made my Ganesha sit on top of a huge lotus that is really fun to draw. In the description box below, I'll leave a link to my blog post where you can see different versions of Ganeshas that I've drawn. I also have a printable PDF that you can draw and refer to. And I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, friends. Happy Ganesha Chathurthi!